In this video, I'll detail how to silence notifications while driving on Samsung Galaxy device. So if you are driving and your Samsung phone is on, then your Samsung phone will automatically silence notifications so that it will allow you to concentrate on your driving. So if you're not on this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to silence notifications while driving on Samsung Galaxy device, all you just need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on safety and emergency. Then under safety and emergency, locate silence notifications while driving. Click on that. Then you should see to limit interruptions such as call and text messages, your device can automatically turn on do not disturb when you are driving. Then turn this on. And this is going to turn on do not disturb while driving to silence all notifications on your Samsung Galaxy device. So once your Samsung phone detects that you are no longer driving, then it's going to disable do not disturb automatically. So this is how you can easily silence notifications while driving by turning on do not disturb automatically on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.